Welcome dear guys. In this video I would like to explain the different types of number, and first of all I ask you kindly please subscribe and like my channel. Okay, let's begin. What is natural number? What's natural number? The definition: natural numbers are the numbers we use for counting. When we want to count something, actually we use the natural number. They start from 1 and go to infinitely. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. These types of number called natural number. Also, we denote it set by n. For example, n equal to, with the capital N. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and etc. These types of number called a natural number. Also, we can show it on the line number. We want to draw a line here. It starts from 1 here, 1, 2, for example 2, we separate equal segment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and continue up to infinite. These types of number called natural number. You should keep in mind that no decimal or no fraction include of natural number. Also, no negative numbers include natural numbers. As well, we should mention that 0 is not include the natural number. Okay, it's the first types of number. The second types of numbers is whole number. What's whole number? Definition: whole number are natural number plus 0. Symbol W and example for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Important point: still no fraction or decimal, no negative numbers include whole number. For example, we want to show whole number equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and continue. These types of number called whole number. You can also show in line number. For example, we have here, we can draw a number start from 0 this type, and we separate equal segment. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue up to infinite. These types of number called whole number. The third types of numbers, integers number. What is integer numbers? Definitions: integers number actually include positive whole numbers, negative whole numbers, and 0. Symbol Z, it's taken from the German word Zahlen, meaning numbers. Example, we have Z equal to minus, for example, 3, minus 2, minus 1, includes 0, 1, 2, 3, and etc. Let's continue. These types of number called integer number. Also, we can show in line number. The starting point of integer number actually is 0, the origin, O, and here is 1, 2, 3, continue. The left part minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and continue up to minus infinite, and here positive infinite. This types of number called integer number. Include all whole number and their negative counterpart. Actually, integer number are include positive, negative, whole number include 0. The fourth types of numbers is rational number. Actually, rational number. What's rational number definition? A rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction a of b or a over b, where a and b are integer and b is equal to 0. Symbol of rational number. Symbol of rational number q is taken from question. Question with example 1 of 2 or 3 of 4 and 5, because the denominator of 5 is 1, and also 0.75 minus 2, etc. These types of fraction are called rational number. If you want to show it, say it here. Actually, q is equal, for example, minus 3 of 4, 2 of 3rd, 0, minus 7 of 5th, 12, minus 12, etc. This type of numbers called rational number. We also can show in a line number here. For example, minus infinite, here 0, 1, 2, 3. This part minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and continue to positive infinite. These types of number, rational number. Here also we can show some fraction. For example, minus 5th of 2, or for example here 2 point, for example 3, or here 1 of over 2, and etc. These types of fraction called rational number. Important point, include all integer, because every integer can be written as a fraction a over b. Include decimal that terminate like 1.75 or repeated like 0.333, and these types of fraction are all include rational number. And the fifth type of numbers are irrational number. What is irrational number? Irrational number definition: numbers cannot be written as a fraction a over b. Their decimal form go on forever without repeating. For example, here square root of 1.4142, and it is continue, not repeating and not terminating, it's continue. Or for example, pi here, 3.1415, and etc. These types of fraction, irrational number. Also e, 2.71828, not repeating and not terminating, it's continue. These types of fraction called irrational number. Here it is said we can show with the q with quotation. For example, square root of 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 12 pi e, and etc. These types of fraction, these types of number called irrational numbers. Before that one, we should keep in mind important, cannot be expressed as a fraction. It means irrational number cannot be expressed as a fraction. Decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. A square root of non-perfect square like square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, these types of fraction, irrational number. And the last one is real number. What is real number? Definition. Real number include all rational and irrational number. Basically, any number that can be represented on the number line. Symbol are example rational. For example, 3 minus 2.50. Irrational number pi, square root of 2, and etc. Important point. Real number actually equal to rational number union with irrational number. Used in most real life measurement like length, temperature, money, and etc. Relationship diagram text base here. Rational number actually include real number, include rational number and irrational number. Also we here rational number include integer number, whole number, and natural number. I want to draw here a diagram. For example, we have here, it is real number and it include one, and the other thing is, for example, this one. For example, here we have real number. Real number include irrational number. Here, irrational number. Here we have natural number. For example, like 1, 2, 3, etc. Here we have whole number, W, actually 0, 1, 2, 3, and etc. Here we have integer number, actually z equal to, for example, minus 3 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and etc. There is rational number, we can say here rational number. Rational number. It's, for example, 1 over 2, 0, 0.51, 2, and etc. Here is square root of, for example, irrational number here. The square root of 2, the square root of 3, pi, e, and etc. Here is real number. I want to color it with different type. For example, here it is actually natural number, just used for counting. It is whole number. It means actually a natural number includes 0. This whole number. This is actually integer number. It means